If you want to add music on your WhatsApp status, then keep watching this video till the end. I know you have already watched so many videos on this topic, but nothing is working, okay? But whatever I'm gonna share in this video gives you 1,000,000,000% guarantee that it's gonna work. First of all, close your WhatsApp application. Now open your Facebook profile. Now click on create story. Now select the particular image that you want to keep in your story. For example, I'm selecting a picture from my phone gallery. Now from the bottom, select any music. You can sense the music layouts to you. If you select this one, it'll look like this. If you select this one, it'll look like this. And if you select the last one, it'll look like this. And if you want to sense the music, just click on tape to sense. Now select the music that you want to add on your WhatsApp status. Just click on it. Now the music is selected. And now click on share. So this is the story that I posted on my Facebook profile. Now click on it. Now click on the three dot icon in the top right corner. Now click on archive video. Now click on OK. Now the story is deleted from my profile and now it's been saved on my archive stories. Okay. Now click on your Facebook profile picture at the top left corner. In this middle section, click on this three dot icon. Now click on archive. Now at the top left corner, click on story archive. So this is the story here. Just click on it. Now at the top right corner, click on this three dot icon. Now click on save video. Now the video is saved on my phone storage. So just go back. Now open your phone gallery. So this was the video that I've already downloaded from Facebook. So you can share it on WhatsApp status with this music. Okay, so this was the perfect way to add music on your WhatsApp status. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you, bye bye.